The world of hospitality survives on maintaining high occupancy and being able to deliver the services that guests not only expect, but require. In today's environment, that means having bandwidth available to access content and applications within any building, room, or space on a property at any time. At World Cinema, we thrive on solving hard technology problems, even when they are as hard as getting connectivity through concrete. For one customer, we not only had the challenge of the physical infrastructure, but also upgrading a historical building while keeping disruptions to guests at a minimum. Planning ahead through site analysis, blueprint reviews, and transparent communication, we leveraged Cambium Networks' indoor APs to deliver fast, dense, and secure Wi-Fi to power the services the client needs to deliver. Relying on the right technology allowed for quick installation and improvement in performance from site to site, providing a customer experience everyone could be proud of. To learn how we support the fix that goes beyond the immediate and focused on the future, go to WCITV.com.